Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.5 question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Let us take one quadrilateral. We will taken one quadrilateral and name them PQRS. PQRS. This is a quadrilateral, right? And draw its diagonals. Diagonals means we have to join the vertices of the opposite vertices, right? The vertices of P is opposite to P is R. Therefore, you have to join P with R. This is the diagonal, right? Another you see the vertices opposite to S is Q, right? And you have to join S with Q. These are the two diagonals of the quadrilateral. Right? SQ. That means PR and SQ are two diagonals. Name them. That means there are two diagonals. Diagonal. Here you can write diagonal. Diagonal PR and diagonal SQ and diagonal SQ. These are the two diagonals of the quadrilateral PQRS, right? Is the meeting point of the diagonal in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Here you see that in PQRS, interior, this is the interior region. I am shading it here, right? Here PQRS, these are the interior of the, if I said it, then this is the interior of the coordinate PQRS. And here you see the two diagonals meet at the point O, right? And O is the interior of the quadrilateral. That's right. That means both the diagonals, we can write that both the diagonals, both the diagonals, both the diagonals, both the diagonals meet meet in the interior of the quadrilateral. In the interior, in the interior, in the interior of the quadrilateral, in the interior of the quadrilateral, of the quadrilateral, quadrilateral, right? Now again we see here that we have drawn a quadrilateral PQRS, right? And here is diagonal. The opposite vertex of P is R and opposite vertex of S is Q, right? If you draw P to R, this is one diagonal. If you draw S to Q, this is other diagonal. Therefore, diagonal PR and diagonal SQ, right? Both the now you see they meet at the point O, and O is the interior of this quadrilateral, right? Therefore, you can say that both the diagonals meet in the interior of the quadrilateral.